Alright guys, back again with another video. So, last episode we learned padding, but, we're savages out here. We're going to learn some margins now, okay? So, just to go over padding again. So, padding is the space inside the box, okay? So, that's inside the box. So, let's make a space outside the box now, which is called, dun 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 dun, your margin. Wow! Okay, so put margin. There we go. And then we can set the margin to 20 pixels if we want to. And this will set it to all around. Of course, there's space right here, but that's just, the margin is to divide the walls if it's touching a wall and the boxes. I don't know if that made sense, but you'll see. So look, 20, 20, 20 pixels, 20 pixels. So it looks way cleaner and better. It looks so nice. Okay. So again, just like the padding, if you want to do like a certain side, you could do margin dash left, top, down, or right. And we could say 30 on the left. So I'll reload. And now we have 30 pixels. So yeah. So you could also do top. Oop, did that even work? Let's get rid of this. Yeah, so the top has 30 pixels now. So anyway, yeah, you don't need to remove this. You could have it if you want to. There's no point, but anyway. So the last thing we could do is have do it all in one line. So we could do, the order is clockwise, so top, right, bottom, left. So 20 pixels, 30 pixels, 40 pixels, 50 pixels. Okay. So now it's like uh, 20, 30, 40, 50. So if we pull up the box model, we can also check that. So margins right here, 20, 30, 40, 50, right there. So it's really nice, and yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was really short, really simple, and if you want to make your elements more orderly and nice looking and clean looking, go ahead and use this, and also padding. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. If you need help, leave a comment, and if you liked it, like it, and subscribe if you want to see more. Okay, bye bye.